Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English Class 10 CBSE. Start by listing your syllabus topics and prioritize weaker areas first. Create a study timetable that balances literature, writing skills, and grammar practice. Use short focus sessions with active reading and note-taking. Practice past papers under timed conditions to improve speed and accuracy. Review mistakes and track progress weekly to adjust your plan, and stay consistent and confident. In this video, I will explain how to study for English Class 10 CBSE. Focus on active reading and summarizing each chapter in your own words. Mark important quotes, themes, and devices while annotating the text for quick review. Build habit of answering varied comprehension questions under time pressure to boost speed. Discuss difficult passages with peers or teachers to gain clarity. Regularly revisit summaries and annotations to reinforce memory and deepen interpretation skills. In this video, I will explain how to study for English Class 10 CBSE. Practice structured writing like essays, letters, and summaries with strong openings and clear paragraphs. Build a checklist for editing, grammar, punctuation, vocabulary, and coherence, and apply it after every draft. Do focused grammar drills on tenses, subject-verb agreement, and clauses to reduce basic errors. Use model answers to learn effective phrasing and gradually incorporate varied vocabulary naturally into your writing practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.